Hey there, folks. We're eagerly counting down the days until the Samsung Galaxy S25 drops. Rumor has it, we'll be seeing it on Wednesday, January 22. There were rumors that the bezels would be 30% thinner than the previous model, and now, thanks to a live image leak, it looks like that's totally true. Insider S Universe shared a shot of the S25 Ultra's front, showing off those ultra-thin, symmetrical bezels. It's clear this phone is taking the design game to the next level and pulling ahead of the competition. The bezels are not just thinner, but the corners of the frame are slightly rounded, which should make it feel even better to use. And here's the kicker. The bezels could be as thin as 2.3 millimeters, way slimmer than the 3.35 millimeters bezels on the S24 Ultra. This info comes from a leaked aluminum dummy, so it's looking pretty legit. The leaked image also shows off the right side of the phone, where the side key and volume buttons are tucked neatly into the frame. This not only adds to the sleek look, but should also make the buttons last longer with their low profile. By the way, don't expect any material leaks to slip out this year. Samsung's cracking down hard on leaks, even firing 2 employees involved in the S25 Plus image leak. So, they're definitely not messing around when it comes to keeping things under wraps. Meanwhile, a new leak has dropped, and it's got some exciting details about the phone's AI features. This tidbit comes from the reliable S Universe, a tipster who's nailed mobile predictions in the past. According to him, the Galaxy S25 is about to show Apple what leading AI is. Sounds bold, right? And they hint that there are a ton of new AI features we haven't even heard about yet. Now this isn't a huge surprise. Samsung's been pushing its Galaxy AI for a while now, especially with the Galaxy S24. But the fact that they're keeping a bunch of AI functions under wraps, definitely intriguing. So, what could be coming our way? Aside from the upgraded version of Bixby, which we've already heard about, the possibilities are endless. We already know Samsung's got some cool AI tricks up its sleeve, things like AI image creation and live language translation. But this leak suggests there could be even more. Maybe better camera tools, more text-based AI tools, or possibly even some AI agents that handle tasks for you, like curating your Spotify playlists or ordering your next Uber. There's also a chance we'll see features that help you organize your digital life. On top of all that, we're also expecting One UI 7, that's Samsung's version of Android 15, to roll out with the S25, which could bring even more AI goodness to the table and might even make its way to older devices too. Now onto the design side of things. The talented concept designer Technizo Concept recently dropped renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, showcasing 4 colors that are rumored to be part of the lineup: titanium silver blue, titanium white silver, titanium black, and titanium gray. But hold up, Ice Universe quickly pointed out that some of these renders were way off, especially the titanium silver blue, which looked more like dark blue than light blue with a hint of gray. Technizo went back to the drawing board and updated the renders, and it turns out there will be 3 exclusive shades for Samsung: titanium white silver, titanium black, and titanium gray. As for the design, while some might be disappointed by the lack of dramatic spec upgrades, the S25 Ultra does have a noticeable change. The corners have been rounded off a bit, giving the phone a softer, less aggressive look. Overall, it's looking like a solid upgrade. But if you're on the fence about upgrading this year, you're not alone. So, what do you think? Will you be upgrading to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or are you holding off for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.